How to make $100 a day by sending emails. Hey, what's up everybody? Jonathan Montoya here, and I'm gonna be showing you how to use email marketing in conjunction with affiliate marketing to literally print money. And I say that because having an email list is like having your own online ATM machine. And again, when I say $100 a day, this is easily scalable to $500, $1,000, even $10,000 per day, depending on the size and the relationship of your email list. Now, just to keep this in perspective, I've been able to generate over 350,000 emails since I started my online business. Now, as I mentioned in part 2 of this free affiliate marketing series, you can typically make about $1 per email per month. So if you're wanting to make $10,000 per month with your email list, you're gonna wanna generate at least 10,000 emails. So if you're looking to quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial freedom, you gotta look at your magic number. For me, to quit my 9-to-5 job, I needed at least $10,000 per month. So I needed to generate at least 10,000 emails so I can hit that number predictably every single month. Now, real quick, I just wanted to recap what we've talked about in the previous videos. As you know, this is the 4th video in this free affiliate marketing series. But remember, we want to go ahead and promote a digital or a physical affiliate product. Now, instead of just sending people directly to the product, we don't want to do that. What we want to do is send people to a landing page. So we call it an opt-in page. Now, this opt-in page is where we give out something for free, like a free checklist or a free course in exchange for someone's email. So right here, someone's going to go ahead and enter their email and we're going to have them in our database. Now, again, this number is really going to depend on you, right? How much emails do you want to generate and how much do you need to quit your 9-to-5 job? Because again, when you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to be doing it the right way. You don't want to just be sending people to the affiliate product, because when you do that, you don't actually own the list and you lose those customers forever. So what you want to do is have some sort of opt-in page where you're collecting emails. One thing I wanted to mention is having a strong email list allows you to promote multiple affiliate products, whether it's a product on ClickBank or whether it's a big launch coming up. So for example, ClickFunnels 2.0 was launching and they asked me to promote it. And as you can see, I just sent a few emails out and we generated almost $30,000 with a few emails to my email list. Now, of course, I've built my list well over 300,000 people, but I want you to see the power of having a strong email list. People will come to you to promote their big launches, or you can go to other affiliate launches and promote their products. So I've been fortunate enough to use my email list to get on the top of these huge leaderboard launches and, more importantly, drive more income to me and my business. Okay, so let's talk about how can we actually make $100 a day by sending emails. So the first thing you need to figure out is a product to promote. So again, we've talked about that in previous videos, but again, we got to go to either Amazon, ClickBank, Digistore 24, or you can go find a software product like ClickFunnels or System.io. But we simply need to start with a product. Now, once we have a product in mind, we need to go ahead and create this opt-in page so we can go ahead and collect emails from other people. Now, here's an example of one of my opt-in pages. So as you can see here, I'm giving away this free book in exchange for people's email. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys access to this free book and this free funnel. That way you can give this out as your own. Depending on which funnel builder you're using, I'll give you this funnel for both ClickFunnels and System.io. I will leave that link down below or in the members area. That way you have direct access to this. I will even give you access to the book as well, so you guys can go ahead and give this out as your own. But I want you to understand how this is working. What we're doing is we're sending people to this landing page, and now we're collecting their email. So once we collect their email, we can then send them to the affiliate offer. So basically, after this page, it will go to the affiliate offer that I'm promoting. So more specifically, it's gonna look something like this, okay? Again, we're gonna go ahead and create free content, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and we're sending them to this opt-in page. Now, again, what we're doing is we're giving them access to this free thing, right? This lead magnet. In this case, for this example, it's this free book. Now, what we're doing now is once we send them to that free book, we can then exchange that free thing for their email, okay? So now this is where it becomes very powerful because this will grow over time. And what's cool is once people enter their email, they can then go to the affiliate product, whatever product that you're promoting. And then of course you generate income. Now, again, this is a numbers game. So what happens is most people are not going to buy right away. What most people are going to do is they're going to end up on your email list. And this is where the magic happens. This is where you can go ahead and promote multiple different products, okay? So you can promote product number 1, product number 2, product number 3, whatever product that you're promoting. So more specifically, I actually call this the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So if I go up, it's gonna look something like this. It's the same thing that I just showed you, but now we have multiple offers, right? So for example, this is the same thing that I just showed you in the previous one, but now we have this email list where we can then promote different offers, right? So offer number 1, offer number 2, offer number 3. And we do that with the power of email marketing, okay? Now, again, where do we find these offers, right? Again, we can go to places like ClickBank or Digistore24, or we can go find a private products to promote. Now, I will do a video on the top private products that I recommend. But again, if you don't know where to find those, you can always start with Digistore or ClickBank and find products there. Now, this is where the power happens, right? So if you look, I'm building this email list to then promote multiple products, and I can very easily make $100, $1,000, even $10,000 a month using this strategy and depending on the size of your email list. Now, at the end of the day, I'm focused 100% on building my email list. That's the main focus in my online business. Yes, I want to grow the YouTube channel. Yes, I want to grow the commissions. Yes, I want to grow my Facebook group, but I can do that because I grow my email list. If you think about it, if I grow my email list, I can then grow my social media followings, my YouTube channel, I can grow my Facebook group, and I can grow these other assets. But the number one thing I focus on is generating that email list. Okay, so we know we need to build an email list, but how can we build this as large as humanly possible? So what you need to focus on is creating content. Again, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, but what type of content should you create? And how should you create it depending on the product you're promoting? So if we go back to this graphic here, we have to know exactly what we're promoting, whether it's a product on Amazon or it's a ClickBank product. We need to know exactly what the product does, but more importantly, how it can help someone get from point A to point B. That's how you're gonna be able to create really good content here on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, in order to get them to the product you're trying to promote. So before you start creating any type of content, it's really important that you study the product that you're trying to promote. Now, I do recommend buying the product and knowing exactly what it is and how it can help someone, because when you do that, you know exactly how it can help them, but more importantly, how it can get them from point A to point B. Now, when I say point A to point B, think about their ultimate desire. So for example, if someone is buying an online weight loss course, maybe their ultimate desire is that they have more time with their family, they have more energy, they're not tired all the time because maybe they're overweight, right? So that's the ultimate desire, not necessarily losing the weight, but what they can do once they lose the weight. So for example, when I'm promoting my products, right, I talk about leaving their 9-to-5 job. I talk about being able to fire their boss, being able to have financial and time freedom, because that's the ultimate desire, right? Point A for them is possibly they hate their job. They don't like going to work every single day. And point B is being able to quit their job and achieve financial freedom, not necessarily making more money. So it's really important that you understand what the product is, but even more important is what the ultimate desire that product will promise. I'll give you one more example. Let's just say you go to ClickBank and find a muscle building course on how to build muscle. Well, people aren't necessarily wanting to build muscle just to build muscle. There's a reason behind that, and you need to understand your customer avatar and why they actually want to build muscle. So for example, if you're on TikTok and you're trying to get someone to buy this muscle building course, you can't just talk about a course on building muscle. You need to talk about the benefits and the ultimate desire that they're going to achieve. So as an example, I would say, hey, do you want more respect from your family, from your friends? Do you want to be able to walk into a party and everyone notices you because you're a lot bigger, you have more muscle? Well, check out this free thing, right? Then we would send them to our opt-in page, right? Where it's like, hey, we have this checklist on the 5 best proteins to build muscle, right? So we give them this free thing. And then from there, we can send them to this muscle building course or whatever it is we're trying to promote. But what we need to do is we need to understand the product, and more importantly, the ultimate desire that product promises. That's how you're going to get someone to buy a product and go to your email list, right? Because again, we're creating this content for free on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, whatever it is, but you need to understand exactly what that product is going to do for them. And that's one of the biggest mistakes I see people doing when they're creating content. They're talking about the product, right? Again, people don't care about the product. They care about the ultimate desire that that product can promise them. Now, one thing I want to mention is the levels of awareness. So think of your content as a level. So I'm going to draw this out right here, and it's going to make a lot of sense. So think of this as a funnel, okay? Now let's just say I'm trying to promote a product like System.io or ClickFunnels even, right? So at the top here, people are not gonna know exactly what that is, right? So they don't even care what ClickFunnels is. So they're unaware, they have no idea what this product is, okay? And as they go through this funnel, they're gonna know exactly why they need this product and why they should buy it. So I wanna give you a clear example of what that looks like, okay? But I call this level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, where level 4, they know why they need this product. You just need to show them the reason why this product is going to work for them, okay? So what I'm going to show you here is level 1, okay? Let's just say we're trying to promote something like ClickFunnels, right? Again, I did over $30,000 with this new launch. And the way you would do this is knowing the levels of awareness, okay? So if I go back, again, they have no idea what ClickFunnels is, but more importantly, why it would help them do whatever it is, okay? So in this case, I show people how to use ClickFunnels to start an affiliate marketing business, okay? So level 1 is we need to tell them that there's an opportunity to make money, right? I didn't mention ClickFunnels, but there's an opportunity to make money, okay? So an example here is this video, okay? So this video, I talked about how to make $300 a day. Now, I don't mention ClickFunnels. I just mentioned the opportunity in making money, okay? So in this particular case, we're talking about affiliate marketing and why it's so powerful. But within the video, I'm like, well, by the way, you need to have ClickFunnels because that's how you build an email list. Kind of what I've been doing on this particular video today. Now they know there's a problem, or then now they know they want a solution to that problem, okay? So this is like kind of unaware, okay? So they have no idea what this product is. Second is, okay, now they know they have a problem, and now they know there's a product that can solve that, okay? So now they're product aware, okay? So I'm just gonna put product aware. Basically, now they know there's a product, okay? So what I can do now is create content on the actual product. So an example here is, so again, let's just say this video number 1 is the unaware, right? So I'm gonna show them that there's an opportunity to make money. Now, number 2 is something like this right here. Now I'm showing them the product and how they can actually use it, okay? So this is gonna be like number 2 because now I'm showing them the actual product, okay? Now they wouldn't watch this video. They don't care about number 2 unless they're gonna watch this number 1 first, right? So once they know what this first type of product is or the unawareness, then they can go to like the second level, which is now they're aware of the product that they need. So I can then create content on the actual video. Now, again, the main thing we're trying to accomplish is getting people to our email list. So again, we don't want to send people directly to the affiliate product that we're promoting. What we want to do is create this landing page where we can give them the free thing. So whatever video you're making, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, you want to give them the value, right? Whatever the value is of the video, but then at the end of the video, so you can say something like, go to the link down below, and that will send you to my website. That way you can enter your name and email and get the free thing that you're trying to give them. So what we're trying to do is get them to our opt-in page. That way they can give us their name and email in exchange for the free thing they're trying to get. Now, what you need to understand is that free thing needs to be something of actual value. Again, something that they're actually gonna wanna opt in for, not just some random thing that you found on the internet content and you're giving for free, right? Something that's going to help them get the result that they actually desire. Now, when it comes to creating content, this is where people really get stuck because they have no idea what type of content to create. Now, one of the easiest ways to get started creating content is by simply modeling what other people are doing. Now, more specifically, what you can do is go and find other people that are promoting a similar or the same product, and you can see how they're promoting it. Now, if you're promoting a product on making money online, you need to talk about the opportunity, not the product. So again, we don't want to be talking about the product unless they're product aware. What you want to be talking about is the opportunity of, working from home or quitting their 9-to-5 job, not necessarily talking about making money with affiliate marketing or talking about the product. So one of the main mistakes I see people doing all the time when they're creating content and when they're trying to promote a product is they talk about the product all the time, right? They say, this product does this product has these many modules, this product has this, and this, right? They list out all the things that product offers. Now, that's okay once they're product aware, but most people that you're trying to create content for, they're completely unaware of the solution and they have no idea why they need that actual product. So what you need to be doing in your content when you're creating, let's just say 5-second TikTok videos or 5-minute YouTube videos, you need to be talking about the opportunity, right? How can this help them, quit their 9-to-5 jobs? How can this help them make more money? How can it help them get out of debt, right? These are the things that you need to be talking about, right? Same thing if you're promoting like a keto product, right? The keto product, obviously helps them lose weight by eating fatty foods, but you don't want to be talking about the actual keto product, okay? What you want to be talking about is, by the way, did you know that you can eat bacon, cheese, and still lose weight, right? So that's kind of the hook when you start creating content. You don't want to be saying, hey, I have this keto course that's going to teach you how to lose weight, right? Maybe they have no idea what keto is, right? So you need to really explain why they need that. Now, again, one of my hacks in doing this is go see what other people are doing in a similar niche that are promoting a similar or the same product. When you do that, you can start modeling some of these successful affiliate marketers or some of these successful influencers that are already doing the right things. But now you know exactly what type of content to create to build your email list. Remember, at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is create free content on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, whatever platform it is, and we're trying to get them to our opt-in page. Now, again, as I mentioned, I'm gonna give you guys my landing page. I'm gonna give you guys my lead magnet that you can promote as your own just to get you started. I'll link that down below or somewhere in the members area. Now, your homework now going into the next video in this series is go and find 10 to 20 other people that are in your niche and start modeling their videos, because when you do that, you're gonna get instant ideas on how to create content. Now, where can you go find these other people that are promoting the same product? You can simply go to TikTok, you can go to YouTube and search people that are in your niche. So if they're helping people make money online, if they're helping people lose weight with keto, if they're helping people with cryptocurrency, whatever it is, you need to go find at least 10 people to go model them, okay? But now I want you to understand the levels of awareness, right? Most people are unaware why they need the product that solves the problem they're trying to solve. Now, I hope this video was of value. I do want to go more in depth on creating content and how we can build this email list step by step, but I want you to understand the power in building an email list and start thinking about, hey, this is what I need to do to build an email list that makes me $100 a day, $1,000 a day, whatever it is that you're wanting to hit. I promise you that you can hit those numbers even if you don't think you can. You just need to do the right things. You need to know the right numbers and how you can generate a list that's going to make you your ultimate income that you want to hit. Now, we're just getting started in this series, so I hope you enjoyed it up to this point. Comment financial freedom down below if you enjoyed everything up to now, and we're going to be coming out with more videos inside of this series. So we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless.